Before you view our video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tapping the bell icon so that you will be the first to know when we post new videos.
She had very thin hair, but she used this ingredient and got thick hair within a week. There are 100,000 strands of hair, and it is very normal to lose 50 to 100 of them on daily basis. However, there are people whose number is beyond 100, and that can be an issue. This can be caused by aging, stress, environmental effects, excessive smoking, and other factors. There are natural ingredients which will assist you with the problem, and they are the following. Coconut. It has a couple of benefits for hair growth and its strengthening, as it is high in minerals, vitamins, potassium, iron, and essential fats. You need to warm some amount of the oil and massage it on the scalp, letting it stay for 1 hour. Then wash it off. You can also grate the coconut or squeeze the milk, mixing it with some water. Apply on the affected area and let it stay overnight. In the morning, wash it out. Onion. It is packed with sulfur, which increases the production of collagen, thus chop one onion and squeeze the juice out. Apply the liquid on the scalp and let it act for 15 minutes. Afterwards, rinse it off with shampoo and let it dry itself. Repeat this procedure 2 times per week. Garlic. It has the same composite of sulfur like garlic, and for that reason you need to use it for regrowing of your hair. Crush some cloves and along with some coconut boil them for a couple of minutes. Remove it from the stove and let it cool off. Take the mixture and massage the scalp, letting it stay for half an hour. Wash it off. Repeat the procedure 2 times a week. Egg. Take 1 egg white and mix it with oil, beating it until you get a fine paste. Apply it on the scalp and let it act for 20 minutes, rinsing it off with cool water and mild shampoo afterwards. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe to my channel. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give a like.